I should own a piano. I just should. I should have a piano, but I don't. What else do I do? You know? Fashion Nova, Fashion Nova, Fashion Nova. I'm itchy. I'm itchy for no reason. Can alcohol make you itchy? You're in my fridge. Can alcohol make you itchy? Ooh, I just want to put something cool in my arms. Ah! Oh, I know what it is. I have a fluffy blanket, and I think the little hairs on the blanket went through my shirt. And like, because it's a mesh shirt, and they perfectly poked through my shirt, and they're itchy. Damn, what if I'm allergic to something? What if I'm dying right now? Damn. At least I made it. At least I glue up. Completely kidding. Completely kidding. God, this feels good though. Welcome to my fridge. Fashion Nova. Oh, damn. Y'all do wellness shots? Well, you want to see what's in my fridge? Want me to give you a fridge tour? I can give you one of those. Fashion Nova. I'll show you. Alright, what's in my fridge? I got some quinoa, some Mediterranean tuna. Got some fucking kale shit. I'm not gonna eat it. Some Peter Thomas Roth face mask. Very slippery, I don't know why. But some face masks, some eye masks or whatever. Some cat food. These are all wellness shots. Essentia. We got some green apple, Stella Rosa. Some blueberry. Some watermelon. Because it's best enjoyed alone. But about these wellness shots. Oh, what's on here? Oh, a rotten lemon. A decomposing lemon. Some garlic. Some rolls. Some fucking sauce on the side. We got butter, whatever, you know. Some lime juice. I got fucking cornichons. Some mustard. Some, hold on, my fridge is crying. What the fuck? Am I tripping? Oh, shit. Pasta sauces all down here. But as far as these shots go, I'm just gonna try to one-handedly show you what I got. It's all Erewhon. Some Life Force. This is some green shit. It has orange, lemon, ginger, chlorophyll, E3, live, and cayenne. I only know what 3 of those things are. Oh, what's going on here? Another one of these guys. Just set them up. Oh, this is Germ Warfare. This shit has oregano oil in it. I don't recommend it to anybody, but I also recommend it to everyone. Tastes like motor oil, and if a demon took a wet shit inside of a paper towel and wrung it out over some peppermint tea. But it's good for you. This is Goldeneye. I guess it's pineapple, water, ginger, turmeric. Don't look at my nails. Lemon, rhodiola, holy basil, lion's mane, organic. I don't know. What else we got? More of this shit. What else we got? More of this shit. What else we got? More of this shit. That's a bag. Cool. Ooh, turmeric shot. This is just pure organic turmeric. That's it. Period. Turmeric. Oh no. Seize the day. That's orange juice, lemon, sea buckthorn. 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 But anyway, apple cider, vinegar, alma, camu, zinc, pink salt, organic. Again, I only know fucking 3 of those things. Doja, can you sing to us like a Roman Renaissance night situation again? This is seize the day, and this is made of orange juice, lemon and sea buckthorn, and apple cider vinegar and alma. Okay, I'm done. That's not gonna work. That's not gonna happen. What else we got? Pure organic turmeric. Sounds good. What else? Pure organic fucking turmeric. What else? Oh no, that's the seize the day. This is vitamin C. Looks good. That's great. Bag. Hey, this is how I clean my house. Check this out. And I'm not kidding, too. It kind of sucks. You know what's crazy? Everyone knows a really filthy person. And I'm not even filthy. I get rid of, like, mostly trash. So, like, me throwing the bags on the ground, that's for your entertainment only. I would have just easily just picked those up and threw them away, but I'm on live, so things are more difficult to do. I like to just have fun. But I'm a pretty fucking messy person. I'll leave like clothes and shoes and that. That was creepy. He looked at me and he went like this. He went, what was that? Grandpa. Alex. Alex. I'm a pretty messy person. It's not cute. It's not. Don't encourage that. Alex. Should I take a wellness shot? Should I hurt myself for entertainment? I should. I'm gonna take a wellness shot. The only reason I say hurt myself is because this stuff tastes like if you were to take a strainer and put hot dragon piss frozen into a block and then sift it onto a mountain of dog meat and fucking kitten jizz, and then fry it on a pan made of poop. Oh, never mind. I'm just gonna take this. I wanted to see how long I could go. This is not gonna be fun. And you know what? The shit I do for clout, the shit that I do for clout, it's pathetic. I'm taking the shot. This shit, I'm just gonna read you the ingredients. Again, reishi, I don't know what that is. Kyolic garlic, I don't know what that is. Echinacea, golden seal. No one really knows what that is, but like some people, it's kind of popular, but it's not good. Astragalus. That's what it looks like. Astragalus. But I like to say astragalus. Elderberry. Silver. I didn't know you could drink that. Oregano oil. Grapefruit seed extract. Lemon juice. And water. What a just a breath of fresh fucking air compared to every other toxic component inside of this bottle. This is going to be a hard time for me, and I hope you enjoy. So let's just get right down into it. I hope there's some juice in here. There's no juice. Well, there's kind of juice. There's Stella Rosa. Kids, don't do this at home, alright? Don't have your astralagalagalis with Moscato. Not a good idea. My fridge is crying. Hold on one sec. Let me reset this. Alright, I'm doing this. Yeah, I know. I need... Okay. How about you choose for me? I'm gonna take this shit, and should I... Moscato, vitamin C. Moscato, help me out. Which one do I chase it with? I already know the right answer. I don't know why I'm asking you. I'm going to do it with the vitamin C. Let me not allow you guys to make decisions for me while I torture myself. Okay, here we go. Okay. All right, here we go. My fucking bayang is itching the shit out of my eyes. Alright, here we go. Oh boy. That tastes like ass. Whatever the fuck that is, it tastes like ass. Let's not even do that. Let's not even do that. I'm going straight for the Moscato. I don't care what anyone says. I don't give a fuck. Shit. Should I do it with a straw? No, this is for your entertainment. Hold on. Alright, here we go. Shit. Hello. Oh God. Help. Oh wow, that tastes really bad. That's not, I can't imagine. What the fuck does this do for you? Other than make you unhappy. This is the grossest thing I've ever put in my mouth that I know of to date. Fucking crazy. Crazy. That's not right. Hold on one second, guys. My fridge is crying again. Jesus Christ. Wow. That's not cool, man. That's not cool, man. That tastes like, wow, that tastes like, if you were to take Larry King and just have him sit on a toilet for about 5 hours and just wait till something comes out. And whatever you find, you take it, you put it in a basket, and you take boiling hot water, and you run it over, and you just strain Larry King's excrement, and then grill his socks, and just eat that together like it's a dish. That tastes like what someone's house would. You ever been to like a friend's house or a stranger's house and it smells like, you're like, why does it smell so weird in here? Like you can smell other people's houses, but like you have that one friend whose house smells like very much like not something that you understand. Not bad, but also not great. That's what this tastes like. But add the toxic chemicals to that. What, like toilet bowl cleaner? It's like if a fairy nymph took a hot, steaming dump on your tongue while you were sleeping, and you woke up with morning breath and also the hot, steaming fairy dump that was just resting on your tongue the entire night. Man, you guys know what that tastes like? That tastes like if a fuck... I'm just kidding. Hold on one sec. That's Catnip, by the way, if you're wondering. Fashion Nova, Fashion Nova, Fashion Nova, Fashion Nova, Fashion Nova, Fashion Nova, Fashion Nova. Hey, buddy. Hey, Pooper McScooper. Hi, Big Grandpa. My cat's name is Alex. He's old. Well, I've had him since I was 12. Hey, what? You want to do some drugs? Come here, fucker. That's a lot. Don't OD. Is good? You getting high? Hey, you getting high? You getting high? He on X Games mode. Doja, you're a terrible mother. What, I give my kids weed, and that's just how I do it. It's how I get about my day. I do what I gotta do. Alex, fuck this shit up. He's making fucking weed angels, dude. Alex, you making weed angels. Alex, you making weed angels, buddy. You making crack angels. Alex, why are you making crack angels on my living room floor? Alexander. You are a mess. Look at his oh my God, Alex. What Oh, please. Let's talk about it. Hey, thoughtful little things. How about shut the fuck up? It's Catnip. Like, let's just pin this. Let's pin this comment. This bitch just said, such unnecessary normalization of drugs on a platform with so many impressionable minds. Thumbs down emoji. Bitch, if I want to give my cat catnip on live, I will. It's a cat, not a kid smoking a blunt. It's a fucking animal. You're dumb. Congratulations. Holy shit. Alex, get a load of this bitch. She needs some goddamn catnip. She probably needs some catnip herself. Yo, your cat, if you own a cat, your cat is high strung as fuck. Look at mine. Dude, look at my cat. My cat's going fucking X Games mode. Your cat is like tearing up your couches and fucking up your toilet paper. Look at my cat. I don't need nip. I hate dumbass people. I'm gonna be honest with you. Because I do dumb shit too. And I'm annoying too, just like everybody else. But this bitch is a special kind of stupid. She went to a live and she saw there was a cat rolling around in catnip. And then she went, how dare you influence children? At this rate, she's basically saying you're a bad example for kids. Like, bitch, you're so stupid. Why don't you take your kid to Petco and send them down the fucking cat toy aisle? Let me know if they come back with a fucking Fonto leaf and a massive blunt smoking fucking hashish and getting fried out of their wits. This bitch is dumb. But anyway, I rest my case. Alex, you high? Oh, he sees a fly. Get that motherfucker. Get that motherfucker. He'll be like this for like 30 minutes. And then it'll wear off. You are a mess, buddy. You're a mess, Grandpa. Don't bite me. I feed my cat fucking this shit, except the bag ripped. Nutrish by Rachel Ray. It's a super premium. It's like seafood flavor or whatever. It's supposed to be the good one. This is the one he'll eat. And then I give him this shit. I give him Sheba, pate, all the seafood flavors. He likes that a lot. He's a big fat fucking grandpa. I love you, fat grandpa. My sweet fat grandpa. My sweet fat grandpa. I'm raking up your drugs and I'm putting it in the mountain. That's a lot of catnip. I usually don't give them that much, but just for the sake of you guys. I gave him more catnip for the clout. No, he's just in heaven. It's just something fun for him to do. It's just a recreational drug. He's rolling. Alright, well, on that note, I'm going to bed. I'm gonna probably, or just play Fortnite. I don't know. Don't spam me on Xbox. Hey. What's up, buddy? Say bye to everybody. Alex, say Fashion Nova. Say Fashion Nova. Say Fashion Nova. Alex. Alex. Say bye. Say L. Ron Hubbard. Alex. Alex. Say L. Ron Hoya Bimbe. Alex. Alex. Say bye, please. My OCD is going nuts. Alex. All right. Bye, everybody.